Dear Commissioner, dear colleagues, first of all, let me say that I'm very happy that Cambodia opposition leader Sam Raizi is here today together with Saumura Tiolong, also a member of the Cambodian National Assembly. I welcome you both in this chamber today. The message, once again, is clear. Hun Sen government has to stop the political repression of political opposition and come back to respect of rule of law and democracy. Dear colleagues, it is not the first time this Parliament condemns such behavior. We also call on the EU to stop business as usual with Cambodia. Let me remind you that the EU is the largest foreign donor to Cambodia. We call on Hun Sen and the National Assembly to reinstate Sam Raizi immediately and to restore his parliamentary immunity. So this is why I am so delighted that we are adopting this resolution today. Thank you very much, Sam Raizi. You are an example for all of us. Democracy and non-violence always will win. Thank you.